Hi lovelies, you might be asking yourself, what is the easiest way to start making passive income? Oh, let me see. Have I guessed right? This is what is in your mind? Well, let me confirm to you, you can do this right from your phone just using YouTube. Do you know what YouTube is? I'm very sure that yesterday, even right now before seeing this video, you've been scrolling, you've been pulling up and down on your YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel or you're using just someone's YouTube channel, in other words, you are making them make money. Look at this. Jesus, this is a lot of money. See how much I've made in just last 7 days. This is right here at the comfort of my home, using my phone. No experience you need, but of course with time you get experience. This is the beauty of passive income. And guess what? It's very simple. What you need to do, but before I tell you what you need to do, you guys, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a financial expert. What I do, I just come here to share with you what I've used to make money on a daily basis. You guys, do you know what it feels to wake up and find money dropped on your account on a daily basis? It's so interesting. And guess what? It's very simple. What you need to do is to pick a high-paying niche with low competition. When I'm talking about high-paying niche, I mean like my niche. You can go to education, you can go to finance, health and beauty, name them. Are you very good at reviewing technical gadgets, or you're very good at teaching people how to make money like me? You pick that niche, you go to right out to your YouTube, start a YouTube channel and stay consistent. You are going to see money dropping on a daily basis. I'm not saying it's very easy. You're not going to start today and start buying a limousine, go and get a plot in the middle of Kampala or in the middle of Jumeirah. No, what you need to do is to be consistent. Now let me show you exactly how much I've earned and how you can do this too. Can you do it? I know you're still there waiting. Oh my God, let me see how much Christine did this time. Yes, you're going to learn how to do this money, and you're going to make sure you stick around because the breakthrough starts today, not tomorrow. Yes, you were supposed to start yesterday, but since you didn't start yesterday, let's start today. Let's go. And before I dive in, special thanks to my beautiful subscribers that came this week. You're going to see that we got enough subscribers, and special thanks to our beautiful royal viewers. You're so wonderful. Thank you very much. Every time we drop a video here, we are sure that those people were eager to learn. And to you all our masterclass students, I love you so much. Let's dive in and see how much we did in the last 7 days. In this video, this is a disclaimer. We're not here to show off how much we made, but we are here to make sure that you know there is passive income right away at the comfort of your home with your smartphone. How you do it, you're going to be seeing it how we did in the last 7 days. Here is what we did. When we talk about last 7 days, I'm talking about March 24th to March 30th. March 24th, March 30th, we did 7 videos and 1 post. You might be wondering, why 7 videos? Yeah, it's very hard for me to do every day. If you treat YouTube or content entrepreneurship or content creation as your passive income venture, it means you're going to show up every day, every time, and you're going to make it. So in the last 7 days, we made 7 videos. That means every day is 1 video. Then we did 1 post. Unfortunately, we never did any short in the last 7 days. And out of this, even when we did these 7 videos, we got 260 new subscribers. Do you know what this means? It means there was a great conversion. Whatever we do, it is variable. It's not just for entertainment. Even if it was for entertainment, it would have made your stress go down. But behold, 4.8k people turned into us. This was wonderful. Thank you very much. The new subscribers, you guys, just stay seated here. Make money. Don't think that you're going to make money within 1 day, within 2 days. You're going to make strategies. Everything have a foundation. So what is your foundation? YouTube streets, you're not going to find money dropping there. You're going to sit down and be smart, be consistent, and there you are. You start getting money every day. There is a lesson I want us to learn. We've been learning every day, but I don't know whether you have been clicking it very well. Last 7 days, this is how people found us. And this is what every content creator or every social media entrepreneur would love to have. They found us through YouTube Home, they found us through Up Next, and even other YouTube features. If you don't know what YouTube Home is all about and Up Next, please go to the comment section. Let's know what we can do for you. If you don't know anything about Up Next, please write it in the comment section. I'll bring a video full of that. Here we are here to push ourselves, to touch our hands. We make sure that we earn passive income. Let me give you a gist. Today I was talking with some of my beautiful angels. So I was like, oh my God, I made money. Do you know what it means to make money? This is what I'm talking about. There is nothing great and beautiful to make money when you're sleeping, when you're traveling, even when your spirit is very low, you still make money. I'm a testimony. You can be a testimony too. If you know you're out there and you're crying you don't have money, but you have a smartphone, I want to ask you a question. Please don't write it in the comment section. I want you to answer it to yourself. Why do you have that smartphone? And this is what people watched. Out of the 7 days, we made 7 videos. But do you think all brought money? Yes, all brought money. But there are some of the videos that brought more money than others. And in that, people watched more. 2 of the videos that are so interesting, and you won't believe, they all concerned about one topic. They are on how to make money as a born again, as a Christian, how to make money with the Holy Bible. The motive is not about making money, but as a child of God, when you're spreading the word, when you're reading, you're practicing, you should be getting money. You know, out there, people are ready to look at you and say, she has been born again, but she's still scratching herself. She's still begging. She's still failing to pay for amenities. She still cannot go to a very beautiful vacation. No. This is what happened. So I was very excited, and there's a lesson to learn here. If at all you're a creator that is up there, that is coming up, or you have been in the field, and you make a video and you see such topic is coming, it is like people love it, you should repurpose it. You should bring it back. You should invest in it more time and see, how do I do it in another way? This is what happened. So these 2 videos, one was make $2,000 per day, no, $200 rather per day online just by reading the Bible without skills, any skills. And this one scored high. By the way, it was one of the videos that contributed more of the amount of money that you are seeing on your screen right now. Then the second was how to make money. That is how to make $300 daily on YouTube using the Bible. This is so beautiful. Only 2 videos. If you compare to other days, you would find we have like 4 videos which people have watched most, but this time there are only 2 videos, and the amount of money that we have gotten this week in 7 days is like 5 times than other money we have ever gotten. Praise King Jesus, you guys. If you know you're watching me, just go to the comment section and say, let God be praised forever and forevermore. People did not just watch. This was so wonderful. People shared. This is what I loved most. 252 shares. If you know you're out there and you're one of the person that shared this video, please write in the comment section and tell us, where did you share to? Whom did you share it with? Was it your community, or it was on your status? You never know. There's something awaiting for you. Remember, we give out to the community. Finally, this is what I want to show you. It is not about likes or about watching it most. It made us get money. We had $121. Can you imagine? Okay, I want you to convert this $121 in your local currency, and let me know in the comment section. Would it be very hard? Would it be very bad if you had $121 in 7 days, right? When you're doing nothing. By the way, I'm doing nothing. I'm only teaching what is working for me. So if you're really happy for me, I want you to go to the comment section, right? You're happy, and go ahead, learn how to make passive income using YouTube, using what you know. Thank you very much. This has been Christine. I love you so much. See you in another video. Bye bye.